Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Rogers credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice. Now, in the web address bar, type in www.rogersbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official web page of Rogers Bank. To log in and access your credit card, you must log into your online banking account first. Go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, and this will open up a new tab where you can enter your username and password associated with your internet banking account. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box. After you are done, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your credentials, you can click on this Forgot Password and Recover Username link and follow the instructions to look for your credentials. Finally, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to access your Rogers Bank online banking account. Select the Credit Cards tab in order to manage your credit card right from your computer or your mobile devices. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.